Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking to make your LinkedIn profile URL shorter and more professional, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to customize and shorten your LinkedIn profile URL in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. Navigate to your profile by clicking the Me icon, and then, View Profile. Click Edit Public Profile and URL on the right-hand side of the screen. In the Edit Your Custom URL section, click on the pencil icon and edit the desired URL and save. Make sure it's professional and easy to remember. For example, you could use your name or a variation of it. There are other sites you can use like Bitly, but it is a paid version. And that's it. You've successfully shortened and customized your LinkedIn profile URL. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.